WPT Global is a popular online poker platform that is not available in the United States due to legal restrictions. However, many players in the US still want to access and play on this platform. One way to do this is by using a reliable VPN, or virtual private network. A VPN allows users to connect to servers in different countries, thus masking their actual location. By connecting to a server in a country where WPT Global is accessible, such as Canada or the UK, players in the US can bypass the geo-restrictions and access the platform. To play WPT Global using a VPN, players first need to choose a reputable VPN service provider. They should then download and install the VPN software on their device. Once the VPN is set up, players can connect to a server in a country where WPT Global is available. It is important to note that using a VPN to access online gambling platforms in countries where it is prohibited may be against the terms of service of the platform. Players should also be aware of the legal implications of using a VPN to bypass geo-restrictions in their country. Overall, using a reliable VPN is a potential solution for players in the US who want to play on WPT Global. However, it is important to proceed with caution and be aware of the potential risks involved.